Day traders, hello, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you my latest gold spot against US dollar, the mapping for the week of July, which is July 14 until July 19 for this coming week, along with my buyers, key levels, and the type of setup I'm watching. Without diving into any entry details, I'm just mapping, finding key levels and our buyers. All right, so as the market closed this weekend, I'm gonna take this opportunity to spend with you guys. And without wasting any time, let's get into our chart. Alright, I'm gonna start on the H4 time frame to map the market structure, and I look for the change of character and break of structure to understand the flow. Then I mark out the key order blocks and support become resistant or resistant become support zones. I also use the Fibonacci tools to frame the range into premium and discount zones. So as we can see over here, the price is actually on our equilibrium, our point of interest. So this is where we want to see if we can find any reversal. All right, so right now I'm gonna break down our uh, key level, our mapping. First, we have our discount level on over here, which is our daily bullish order block. It's still on our daily bullish order block. And for the H4, this is our discount price. As for our premium, it's above here, which is not the all-time high. And this is our all-time high, and this is our premium, which is on this level. All right, and we have one bullish order block over down here, and it's aligned with our resistance becomes support level. All right, so here we have the structure which support our bullish on the block, and we have two our four bearish on the block. First is down up here, which is not from the change of character, the price entered this level and then started to drop, making the first bearish on the block, and then uh, the price goes back up into our discount price. From our discount price goes up and make another change of character, internal change of character into our break of structure level, and then started to go down and going up a little bit to retest this area over here. As we can see, our change of character and another change of character on this level. So the price enter and drop, started to drop slowly into our H4 bullish order block. All right, and the price step into this level over here, which is previous resistance become support level, and started to go up when the price step into our resistance become support level. All right, I think for the last week, our discount is on this level over here. Our discount price is this level over here, and as I'm not going to say predicted, as I am already analyzed and based on my mapping, our discount over here will be invalid and the price will make another discount on this level. This is our previous bullish on the block, and as you can see for last Friday, the price is actually doing a discount price on this level. So what it actually means, we're gonna see a retest into this area over here, and it could be a potential bullish momentum started to going right now. All right, because right here we have a change of character, internal change of character. Now this area over here can be our break of structure over here, but we need to wait until the price goes back into this area, which is our potential bullish of the block, goes here and then started to go up with a lot of liquidity on this area over here, and then it's gonna break into our support become resistant liquidity price, which from what I see over here could be our new bearish order block before the continue up into breaking into our daily bearish order block over here. All right, so we have another key level, which is new key level. Resistance becomes support on our bullish order block, and resistance becomes support on this level over here, and we have support become resistance with it's aligned with our bearish order block, and we have support become resistant, which I will interpret as a liquidity price, because this area over here will be a lot of ranging with and charging to continue the breakout of bearish or bullish. So we need to be careful when the price enter this level. And we have a support become resistant over here, which is our previous support, go down and become a resistant, which I assume once the price enter this level over here, we're gonna have a strong breakout on here. All right, this will be a strong breakout and reaching our premium over here. And maybe in the premium we need to monitor as will it be a tap and bounce, or it's gonna be a breakthrough. All right. All right, so for my bias for this coming week, it's gonna be bullish, because as we can see, we already have our change of character, but the price is currently on our equilibrium with 0.618 of Fibonacci level, as we can see here. And we can see that on the 0.38, the key level flip, and 0.5 the key level started to flip once more, and 0.618 the key level, our equilibrium, you can see a lot of reversing on this area over here. And we can see right now the price might open entering our change of character, because this is our bearish change of character, eternal change of character. Let me just type it, change of character, and then it might end at the middle here. And from here we need to wait on the reaction of the price. And it's probably, if it's showing on the smaller time frame, it's showing any potential of reversal going upward for the bullish momentum to start to kick in, then we can enter to in the lower time frame, and we can aim for the bearish of the block over here, or our support become resistant liquidity price. So that's for our bearish or bullish bias. All right, it's less likely to be bearish, but it can happen. But for the bearish to happen, we need to wait until the price break our support here, resistance becomes support here. If it breaks and doing a retest inside our resistance becomes support once more, then we can aim for entry into our discount price over here. All right, so it's like this coming week it will be a big movement. It can be a big movement, so we just get ready. Anything can happen. So right now we can see for the gold, it started to shift momentum. All right, so this is the bearish momentum, and we can say that the bullish momentum started to kick in. All right, it can be either over here, and it will be a sharp bullish momentum. All right, so we just get ready for bullish momentum. And my idea for this coming week is I'm going to find a buy setup. All right, I will place my limit order, by limit order, and then I'm just gonna enter when the price enter our break of structure, and get ready if the price going to show any reversal inside our break of structure level on the smaller time frame. All right, because as we can see right here for the US dollar index, right now we can see that the price is actually retracing for the price is retracing for the 18 days price, right? So actually how many days before the price is going down here without any retracement. So last week we can see that the USD is retracing on this level over here. All right, so what we're gonna see, the price is in same on the US dollar index. The price is actually on our point of interest, 0.618 or equilibrium. So here what we're gonna see is the price might enter our bearish order block over here, or support become resistant, then tap, and it might goes down. All right, but we need to wait for internal change of character on this level, which is over here. Internal change of character, and the price might goes back here, and then doing a retest to make a break of structure, and then we can say that the gold will be bullish. All right, but we need to also be aware of the US dollar index or any high impact news for this coming week. All right, so let me just break into our scenario or the paths for our bullish momentum. Now this is my bias. I'm going to start with my bias. What's the scenario or the path of the price? I'm not predicting, but I try to follow the rules of the market structure. So let's say the price open over here. It goes up a bit, going into our change of character level over here, and then it's going to break this level, tap into our bearish order block, rebounds. It will bounce over from here and enter this level again once more, and then might can aim to support the resistance level, but I'm gonna aim for the wick over here, right? Why are here? Because it's the wick. There's a lot of wick. There's a wick over here, so I'm just gonna aim for this level. All right, so this is for the bullish bias. All right, this is for the bullish momentum, the bullish setup, because as we can see over here, the price goes into our bearish order block, goes back into our change of character, and here we can see it's actually making a break of structure, right? It's making a break of structure, and then the price enter our bearish order block and going into our break of structure level, and then you can see that we will have another break of structure on this level. Okay, so that's for my bias for the bullish momentum. Now let's say if the price goes bearish. All right, so if the price goes bearish, it might still I will say goes to this level, and make another lower change, internal change of character, goes into this level, and then go into our bearish order block over here. So this is the scenario or the path for the bearish order block, because here it might be an internal change of character, and then the price goes back into our here it will make a bearish on the block if it's going to be a bearish momentum. And on this level, there's going to be a bearish on the block, and then it follows with a break of structure, and then we have another bearish on the block on this level, and then we can aim if there's a bearish on the block on this level, then we can aim to go for our discount price. All right, so this is only if it goes bearish. I'm not gonna say less likely, but it can be a low possibility scenario. All right, so this is the low possibility scenario. So that's my scenario and path for our bullish and bearish momentum. Okay, so what can we do from this is we need to monitor the price, what's the market, what the market will give us in the smaller time frame on the minute 15, minute 5, and we also can see what the price reaction on our key level on the H1 and H4. Is it rejecting, is it continuation, reversal, or anything? So just make sure you have the confluence on the most time frame, and it gives at least 2 or 3 confluence that support your setup, and then you can go entry safely. But for this coming week, I will say I'm focusing on buy unless there's another change of character over here, another change of character to bearish, the retest, and then I will enter the sell if I see the price making a reversal on the retest of our change of character to the bearish. All right, so that's all for me for this coming week. Make sure you trade smartly. Hope you guys have a profitable week this coming week on your trade, and God bless and all the best for all of you. See you guys again next coming session.